What's up guys? So today on this Honda Brio we're going to be putting on these side skirts and I'm going to teach you how easy it is. So I'm Sky from JSL, let's do this. Alright guys, so you're going to be needing a screwdriver and some 3M tapes and that's it. Alright, after you peel the 3M off the back, all you got to do is just align it with the car's body. Make sure it goes with the grooves. And the 3M is going to help you stick the side skirts a bit better for you to screw on the bolts in the front and the rears as well as the bottom. Okay, next, now that all the bolt holes are aligned and the 3M is helping you keep the side skirts up, all we got to do is just bolt the fender bolts back in. And there we go. Now we just got to repeat these process in the bottom and in the rears. Alright guys, so basically we just did the same thing on the other side. As you can see, it really changes the looks of the car and it's that easy. So thank you for watching. This is JSL Official.